are a student, content creator, a freelancer, business owner, or someone who simply wants to walk smarter, AI can completely change the way you get things done. The best part, most people only know about ChatGPT, but there are dozens of incredible AI websites that can save your time for free. In today's video, I will show you the best free AI website that can boost productivity, help you create content faster, and make your daily tasks easier. Let's get started. ChatGPT number one. Let's start with the most important popular one is ChatGPT. You can use it to write emails, summarize long articles, generate ideas, create social media posts, solve coding problems, translate language, and even plan your daily schedule. Instead of spending hours searching on Google, you can simply ask ChatGPT and get a well-structured answer in seconds. Best for writing, research, brainstorming, coding, learning anything faster. Number two is Gamma. Number two is Gamma AI. Creating presentation usually takes hours, but Gamma AI can generate beautiful presentation from a simple prompt. Just type your topic and within minutes you will get a professional looking presentation complete with layouts, images and content. Perfect for students, teachers, business professionals and startup founders. Time saved 2 to 3 hours per presentation. Number 3 is Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI. Think of Perplexity as Google with an AI brain. Instead of showing hundreds of links, it gets different answer with real sources and references. It is excellent for research because you can verify whether the information comes from. If you are writing blogs, assignments or reports, this tool can save a massive amount of research time. Canva AI number 4. Most popular know Canva for graphic design, but its AI features are incredible powerful. You can generate presentation and social media posts, videos, images, resumes and even remove backgrounds with just a few clicks. Even if you are never designed any before, Canva AI makes the photo process incredibly easy. Number 5 is 11 Labs. Need a realistic voiceover. 11 Labs create natural sounding AI voices in multiple languages and accents. Content creators use it for YouTube videos, audiobooks, podcasts, and educational content. Instead of recording your own voice every time, AI can do it for you in minutes. Number 6 is Notion AI. If your notes are messy, Notion AI is a lifesaver. It can summarize meetings, organize documents, generate ideas, write contents, and help you manage projects. Think of it as your personal productivity assistant. It is especially useful for students and remote teams. Remove BG. Number 7 is Remove BG. Need to remove a background from an image. Instead of learning Photoshop, simply upload your image to Remove BG. Within seconds, it automatically removes the background with impressive accuracy, perfect for product, photos, thumbnail, resumes, and social media's graphics. Number 8 is Adobe Express. Adobe Express includes several free AI tools for image generation, quick editing, designing, and creating social media's content. It's beginner friendly and helps you create professional looking graphics without an advanced design skills. If you are active on Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn or Facebook, these tools can save hours every week. Bonus tools. AI Studio. Here is a hidden gem. Google AI Studio gives you access to powerful AI mode for free. You can experiment with prompts, analyze documents, generate code, summarize text, and even build AI-powered workflows. If you are interested in AI or software development, then this is definitely worth exploring. As it's not here to replace people, it's here to remove repetitive work so you can focus on creativity, learning, and solving beginners' problem. The people who learn these AI tools today will have a huge advantage tomorrow. So don't wait. Start using even one of these free AI website today, and you will be surprised by how much time you save. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe button, and wants to work smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching my videos.